Assuming that scripts are enabled in your land, you can unpack each body separately. When you're finished, click the X button in the top right corner. Under your Recent tab, you should now have a folder with the unpacked items. However, this subfolder will not be included. I made it just for this video. Adding any of the preset gadgets will change the pose of the feet. It will also show a small HUD at the top of the screen. Let me demonstrate quickly the rest of them on Maitreya. Let's go back to high feet to see how auto-detaching works. By default, the gadgets stay on screen until we detach them manually. Clicking a gadget once turns it yellow and enables auto-detach mode. This is super useful when saving outfits. For example, we add a pair of high heels in our outfit. We also add the high feet gadget, and we turn off the auto-detach, so we don't run out of time. We can now save the outfit. I'll call it Test High Heels. Lastly, we turn on the auto-detach again. Let's now test the new outfit. First, I'm taking off the gadget and the shoes. Then I switch the feet to low, and we're ready for testing. It's now only a matter of loading back the saved outfit from our inventory. The shoes are on, the feet have been auto-selected, and the gadget gets auto-detached. That's pretty cool, don't you think? Alrighty, let's make one more outfit with flat sneakers this time. We put on the flat gadget and the sneakers. Then we save the outfit. I'll call this one Test Flat. Enable auto detach in the gadget, and we're pretty much done. Okay, back to our saved outfits to test them both. High heels outfit. Check. Flat sneakers outfit. Check. One last thing, in case you wonder, the auto-detaching timer is set to 5 seconds. Thank you for watching.